Hello everyone. In this figure there is a square whose side length is 16 unit, and inside this square two equal quarter circle is embedded, and also one smaller circle is embedded. Then we have to find the area of this smaller circle. So if you want to try to solve this, then you can proceed, or you can watch solution completely also. And if you like this video, then please share and subscribe with bell notification so that whenever I upload you can get the notification of my video. Okay, now since we have to find the area of this smaller circle, so first I will consider here center for this smaller circle is, let's suppose, here. And if we draw a perpendicular line from the center, that is this line, then what is the length of this line? Since from this point to this point radius, and let's suppose radius of a smaller circle is here smaller, and if we connect this, then this will be also radius for this smaller circle. From this to this is what is, this line is parallel to this length of this is side length of a square, which and also equal. So this will be equal to what, 16, but this black line is extra which is equal to r, so I will subtract 16 minus r. Okay, and if we also connect this and up to this is radius. So total line length will be what actually? 16 plus r. Why 16? Because this to this will be the radius of this quarter circle, and which is equal to radius is 16. So 16, and this line length is a small r because radius of this is a smaller circle. So I am writing 16 plus r, and this length will be what? This length will be 8 unit because 16 divided by 2. This point is center for this side length. Okay, midpoint actually. So we can see that this is a right angle triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can write here 16 plus r whole square minus 16 minus r whole square equal to 8 square we can write. And using this formula, that is a square minus b square equal to a minus b and a plus b. Using this formula we can write actually 16 plus r minus 16 minus r, then it becomes 216, and next time 16 plus r plus 16 minus r, this will become 2 into r, which is equal to 64. 8 square is 64, and this become what? 16 into 2, 32, 32 into 2, 64. So 64 r equal to 64. This 2 get cancelled, so r equal to what? 1 unit. Since we have to find the area of this smallest circle, so we will write here area of circle equal to pi r square, and r is actually 1 unit, so 1 square, which is equal to pi. So pi will be the required answer for this question. So thanks for watching this video.